Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Welcome to another drugstore makeup review. You guys, the drugstore makeup is like hot right now. There's so many new launches that I've been seeing just coming out. I mean, in the year 2020, but let's be real, it's been hot. So today I wanted to share with you guys some lip swatches on the brand new Superstay Matte Ink Maybelline liquid lipsticks. This is their new coffee collection. They do have a separate launch where they have like the 2-in-1 lipstick. I did check those out at Walmart. Wasn't a fan of them. Most of them were like a metallic, shiny lipstick thing. Not really my thing, but I did pick up all new 5 shades. I need to go back to school. I'm also going to be swatching the new Lifter glosses by Maybelline. I'm actually wearing a lip combo right now. You guys will see that towards the end. I'm going to share these with you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take some notes because trust me, you're going to want everything. You are warned. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump straight onto this review / swatches and demo. I went ahead and zoomed you guys in so we can start with the lip swatches. The first thing we're going to be swatching is the new Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick Coffee Edition liquid lipsticks. If you guys are coffee lovers, you are going to love this collection. I love coffee. I have coffee pretty much every single morning. Now that I'm pregnant, I try to limit my caffeine consumption because you're not supposed to have as much caffeine, but I can't go without coffee, you guys. I'm really useless without coffee. So these are going to be an all matte and they retail for $7.99. I found mine at my local Walmart. You can also find them at Ulta, Walgreens, possibly CVS, but just know that those places are going to be a little bit more expensive. We are going to start from lightest to darkest. The first shade that I'm going to take is 255 Chai Genius, which is this one. And let me say that the packaging is stunning. It's like an all matte, but then the lid has a little bit of a gloss finish and all of the lids are a coffee brown. I wouldn't say that these smell like coffee. Like I'm not really getting the coffee scent, but they definitely smell super yummy. And it is the exact same wand that it comes in your typical Superstay Ink liquid lipsticks. This shade might be my favorite. So let's go ahead and swatch this one. Wow. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay. So I typically wear my liquid lipsticks with a brown lip liner. But for the sake of this video, I'm not going to apply a lip liner so you guys can see the true colors. These are definitely very opaque, very full coverage. I have not dipped my wand back in. One swipe and you pretty much have enough for your upper and lower lip. So this is the first shade, which is called Chai Genius. Beautiful color. Oh my god, I am obsessed with this lip shade. Next shade is 260 Hazelnut Hypnotizer, which is this one right here. Looks like a little bit more of a mauve pink. I would love to know what your favorite flavor of coffee is. I am just a regular coffee girl. I like my coffee to be not too strong but not too sweet, like right in between. But I also love anything that is a chai tea latte. Love those. Oh my gosh, that is so weird. Okay, this one definitely smells like coffee. Wow, the first one, 255 Chai, maybe it smells like chai. But this one definitely, like as soon as I open it, it's an overpowering scent. Not in a bad way, but you can definitely smell like the coffee scent. So again, this is Hazelnut Hypnotizer. Really pretty. Next shade is Caramel Collector, which is number 265. And I have a feeling that this one is also going to be a favorite of mine. Oh, this one also smells like coffee, but it has a hint of caramel, which I am here for. Oh my god, stop it. This is such a gorgeous color. Oh my gosh, this is such a stunning shade. It's definitely giving me a little bit more of a terracotta vibe, but it's stunning. Like this in the fall with a super brown smoky eye. I'm loving it. Actually pairs really well with the eye look that I'm wearing right now. So Caramel Collector, definitely a gorgeous shade. Lipstick number 4 is 270 Cocoa Connoisseur. Ah, that is kind of a tongue twister. So these are getting a little bit more deep. We only have one last shade, and that shade is, it's just calling my name. Okay, definitely smells more like cocoa. So I do take back the first lipstick, the chai one. Probably smells like chai, but I don't get the chai vibes. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Oh my god, this is stunning. Don't mind my lip swatches. They're kind of like a little bit crooked. This is so gorgeous. Again, if you are a deep brown biscuit, this is going to be such a pretty shade on you. This is not, again, a typical color that I would go for, even though I love nudes. This is just not a brown nude that I would reach for, but I'm going to step out of my comfort zone because this is just so stunning. I can't get over the pigmentation, you guys. They're so creamy, so pigmented. Okay, the very last shade is the deepest, darkest, rich brown. This is in the color Mocha Inventor 275. It definitely looks a little more like burgundy in the tube, but let's open her up. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys could smell this right now. Oh, that smells so delicious. I want to lick this. I feel like I am in Willy Wonka's factory, literally. That's what it would smell like. Oh, this smells so delicious. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, you guys. This has to be probably my second favorite shade of this whole collection. I knew I was gonna love this. I live for deep, vampy lip colors. I mean, you can wear this in the summer, but this just gives me fall, winter vibes. This is stunning. All right, you guys, next up is the new Lifter glosses. These I also found at my local Walmart. I'm pretty sure I picked up most of the shades. I think I only left out one, which was like the clear crystal gloss looking one, and that's because they didn't have any. I only saw it on display, so they were sold out. I was like, dang it. And I couldn't find it at 2 Walmarts that I went to, so I was only able to pick these up. We're going to swatch these, and then probably at the end I'm going to show you guys a really cute lip combo that you can wear with a gloss and the Superstay Matte Ink Coffee Collection. Let's start with the first one, and really quickly I just wanted to touch base on the packaging. Stunning. I immediately thought of KKW, and I don't own any KKW like lip glosses, but I've seen and swatched them at my local Ulta, and literally like these were what, six something a piece. Very affordable. So the first one is 002 Ice. This is an extra large wand for fuller and better application. This does contain hyaluronic acid, which is supposed to hydrate the lips and make them look fuller. They smell really good. They have a very, I forgot what I was saying. They have a very light scent to them, like vanilla scent. I love this applicator. I don't see much of a super gloss payoff, like they're not super shiny. They are a little bit on the thicker side, but they definitely feel hydrating. So again, this is the shade Ice. I really love how these feel on the lips. The next shade is 003 Moon, which is a very gorgeous pink. It's definitely has some like iridescent glitter. Very fine, nothing that you can see. Again, the shade Moon, very pretty pink, a little bit of iridescence right in there, right in the center of the lips. Really, really pretty. Next shade I am really excited for is 004 Silk, and Silk is more of a deep mauve, very pretty rosy pink. All of these don't have a bunch of like color payoff, but I personally like to wear glosses with a lipstick on. I don't typically like my glosses on their own. If I'm going to go for just a glossy lip, I'll just go for a lip balm. That is the shade Silk. Very pretty though. It almost makes your lips look like a pinkier version of the natural shade of your lips. So, love that. Next one is a deeper version of the one that we just swatched, Silk. This is 005 Petal. And Petal is a deeper mauve pink, as you guys can see. Definitely a little more tinted. Oh yeah, this is definitely more rosy. So that's 05 Petal, another rosy mauve petal color pink. Oh my god, I keep getting it on my teeth. Oh my gosh, I am not gonna have any lips by the time I am done with this video. I haven't done a lip swatch video in years, you guys. Okay, so next one is 007 Amber. Oh my god, you guys have no idea how excited I am for this gloss. Like, this gloss is me in the packaging. I knew it. I knew this was gonna be my favorite. You have to get this one. It is the perfect color of peach and coral and nude. My dreams have come true. This is so pretty. Catch me wearing this like every single day. Shade Amber, number 7. This is where it's at, girl. This is where it's at with the glosses. Okay, we have 3 more. This is another one that I'm really excited for. This is 08 Stone, another nude. I honestly was just going to get only nude lipsticks or lip glosses, but I was like, no, you know what? I'm going to buy them all and try them out for you guys. So 08 Stone is a little bit deeper and cooler tone than Amber. I know I said this like a million times, but I love this formula of glosses. I'm curious to see how you guys feel about it because I feel like some people might not like it because it is a thicker consistency, but I really like it. And PS, these two, they're kind of hard to like push back in. Do you guys see that? So you kind of have to like push it in and then twist it. So 08 Stone, really pretty nude as well. A little bit more cool tone, not as peachy and corally as Amber, but still beautiful. Second to last is 09 Topaz. Now, Topaz really reminds me of the Fenty gloss, the original shade. I think it's Fenty Bomb or something like that. Very, very similar to that. Oh yeah, this is literally like probably a dupe to it. No joke, I think this is a dupe for the Fenty gloss. Let me grab mine and show you guys side-by-side comparison swatches because I think we just found an affordable swatch. Okay, so here it is, Fenty Glow. Let's do a nice thick swatch. Now let's go in with Topaz. Oh my gosh. Did we just find a dupe? I think we did. Okay, so Topaz might be slightly more brown versus the Fenty gloss is a little more, slightly more pink, slightly, but you can't see the difference on the lips. Excuse me, I don't know what's wrong with my voice, but wow, if you guys want an alternative for the Fenty Glow lip gloss, definitely pick up Topaz. The last shade I am excited but nervous for because I've never owned a lip gloss like this. This is number 10 Crystal, which is, it literally looks like you would apply this on your eyes. It is a very pretty like chrome like gloss, bronzy, very pretty, but let's see how it looks on the lips. Oh, okay. This is really pretty though. Like, it just gives your lips that like icy look. Let's go ahead and try a lip combination since you guys know that I love anything brown nude. I am here for it. So I'm going to take my current favorite go-to lip liner, which is by ColourPop. This is the Lip Big Pencil in the shade BFF3. I'm going to line my lips and then we're going to apply one of the Superstay Matte Ink Coffee Edition lipsticks. And then we're going to top it off with a lip gloss. If you guys can guess what shade I'm going to go with, brownie points for you. So I'm going to take the shade Chai Genius, which is the lightest shade in the Maybelline collection. I just love this one, and I know this is going to look so pretty together. Oh my god, I die with this shade. I'm going to try Stone, since Stone is a little more brown. Oh yeah. All right, you guys, and there you have it. That is the entire collection of Maybelline's new Superstay Matte Ink Coffee collection, as well as their lifter glosses. I would love to know which one was your favorite from the coffee collection and the lifter glosses, honestly. I am loving all of them, but this lip combo I am really digging. It's definitely very cool tone, but I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review / lip swatches, and of course, as always, let me know what other videos you guys want to see in the future. I need to go to sleep. It's already kind of late. So yeah, I'm going to take off my makeup, take a nice, relaxing, hot bath. Thank you guys for being here. I love you so much. Be safe. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.